feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To print 5x7 photos on your Epson printer, start by selecting the photo you wish to print. Open the printing preferences by clicking File to Print, and then Preferences or Properties in the Print dialog. Choose Photo Printing as your print type. Select 5x7 as the paper size in the printer settings, which might be found under a borderless option if you're printing without borders. Load your 5x7 paper into the photo paper tray, ensuring it's aligned properly. Apply the changes and press Print to produce your 5x7 photo.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.